Today, Junior.
Hey, Captain.
Yes.
You just did the pirate voice.
No, I didn't.
No,
I just said yes.
Oh, okay.
That wasn't a pirate voice.
I
That was just
there.
my regular voice.
I was transported on a ship. Ah.
Yeah, there you go.
Hey, Mambo, Dolly.
No, that's
Black her
that's.
hair.
What is wrong? You're so off with all of your.
Tuscan is Italian.
I guess, but that's a little
It's not.
different. That's like more like Jimmy's food store.
Welcome.
We're talking about like
When the moon hits ya, I like a bigger pizza pie. That's Tuscan amore. Oh.
who doesn't love a good nautical theme?
Better.
Yeah.
Bounce on.
Okay. Because now that we're in 2020.
Okay, go.
Okay.
Go.
It's in plastic jackets.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh, how the tables have turned. Burned!
Listen, you guys, flip that table.
You're dead to her.
You shan't be invited to my Tuscan kitchen. Okay, go.
How do you like them apples?
Okay.
All right. How's that? Yeah. You ready to go?
Go.
Go.
You're the pretty one.
And that's plastic furniture. This, that's like the sneeze guard lady off a, yeah, okay, yeah, for a seal. Yeah, that'd be good too. That's what you should do. It's just how it is, Cheri.
Flipper.
She can do this forever.
Hit like and I'll send you my autograph.
We good? Okay.
That's a wrap, people.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm done.